Hey, does your kids know about budgeting, saving, investing, and loans? If you said no, then what are you waiting for? Our team believes that kids are never too young to start being financially literate. According to Bankrate's 2020 Financial Security Index survey, 61% of Americans don't even have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency. To solve this ever-growing issue, we've come up with a perfect solution that will prepare your little angels for the real world. Introducing Kiddy Bank. Kiddy Bank is a banking game that simulates the reality of banking in a fun and interactive way that is targeted towards the youth from elementary to middle school. Our product contains two sections, a kids section and a parent section. Kids can earn kitty bucks by completing tasks. For example, Tommy cleaned his room, so he earned 50 kitty bucks. Now Tommy's account balance is $50, and he can choose to spend the money on reward items such as extra hour of TV time. However, he may also choose to save his money and continue to earn more for a higher level reward such as a video game, for which he will have to complete more tasks. Additionally, Kiddy Bank will allow the child to design a budget to keep track of their spendings. We'll teach them about saving and investing, as well as the concept of loans. All of these features are laid out in a beautiful and simple way that is easy for kids to use. Now, I bet you're wondering, where do the parents come in? The parents are responsible for adding kitty bucks to the children's bank accounts whenever a task is completed. They are also responsible to allow the children to spend their kitty bucks on rewards from the shop, such as extra computer time. Kiddy Bank stands out from its competitors because it teaches the children about finance in a practical, hands-on, real-life way. We can all agree that that's the best way to learn. Additionally, our product helps facilitate important and crucial information about finance between parents and children by allowing both the parents to participate in the game along with the kids. Kiddy Bank is currently free, and the main feature will continue to remain free for the benefit of children and parents. However, in the future, we plan on introducing some pro features that will only be unlocked upon paying a subscription. Features can include an e-commerce store. Parents can place an order directly through the Kiddy Bank, which would give them additional discounts and introduce them to new online stores. Our product is currently available as a website, but in the future, we plan on expanding our project to iOS and Android mobile devices as well. This project should take a team of approximately 4 months of part-time labor to complete. Additional cost of operation could include hosting fees and maintenance. Kiddy Bank is also looking forward to partnering with local banks to increase financial literacy among youth. Additionally, we will also be raising awareness by being active on social media, conducting contests, and visiting elementary and middle schools. So now that you've heard about it, it's time to check out Kiddy Bank. Please refer to the link provided. Thank you so much for your time.